This is Todd with Defense and Safety. Got a knife review for you. If you watch my channel, you know I'm a big fan of Emerson knives. I have been for a very long time. I love them. I own probably 10. And when I heard that he was finally going to have Zero Tolerance make a knife, I got interested. And when I heard there was going to be a carbon fiber M390 version, I was buying it no matter what it was going to look like. This is obviously his Tanto design. There are not much similarities between the 7 and this, or the, I guess you could compare it to the 560, right? These are kind of three knives, I guess, it should get compared to. This is maybe the love child of these two. As you can see, this is a much wider Tanto than the typical style that Emerson makes. Of course, this being a liner lock, he's made this a titanium frame lock with a steel bar insert here. It is left or right tip up only carry, of course, because of the wave feature. It's got a nice large oversized pivot that's adjustable by a wrench, so easy to adjust in the field. It has phosphor bronze washers. It is, I was just trying to flip it out using my forefinger, but it flips out very easily. You know, when you just kind of push this way, it just fires right out, and if you use the wave, it just comes out hard. I've had this for quite a while, and it is barely worn in, and you know, obviously with the steel lock bar insert, it's not going to move. So it's amazing knife. I like the carbon fiber. I'll probably switch out the clip with something more Emerson-like with the skull or pirate. But again, this is just so you know, the model is the 0620 CF for carbon fiber. Again, it's an M390 steel blade. This is number 267. I don't know if this is limited edition or just serialized. Hopefully it's not limited edition. Everybody should get this knife. I would say if you want to own one Emerson knife, this might be it. For everyday carry, amazing. You can see on the Tanto tip, it's actually not straight. It's slightly radiused, and then it's straight across the bottom. It's stonewashed here with the satin flats up at the top as well, the swedge. It's just, see how thick this is compared to an Emerson. It's even a thicker blade than Emerson uses. The blade stock is noticeably thicker. It's got his thumb disc, which I really like. I like a thumb disc. I like it a lot. It's easy to get to. And of course with the wave, you can bring it out of your pocket every time. A little heavy. It's probably, I think this might be, let me just feel this. It's definitely heavier than the 560, believe it or not. I think you're getting a much more solid piece of titanium, and I'm not sure how the blade seems to be a little bit more solid. Let's look at the thickness. Yeah, it's a thicker blade. Got a lot more metal taken out of this one. But it is a great knife. I love it. It's been in my pocket since I got it, so I obviously love it. I highly recommend it. Again, this is the Zero Tolerance 0620 CF Emerson design by Zero Tolerance. Great blade. Thanks for watching.